Creating your schedule. From the menu, click Schedules. Input start date and end date. To set schedule for yourself or your staff, click the drop-down arrow. Select Staff. If the staff schedule should be reoccurring, select Reoccurring. If the staff schedule is not reoccurring, select Does Not Repeat. Input a start time and an end time for that schedule. Select if the staff's service availability is venue-based or home service. Click Accept Multiple Bookings to accept multiple bookings for this schedule. Click Booking has a closing date to add closing date to this schedule. Click the Max Booking box to select the maximum number of bookings to accept for this schedule. Click the date and time next to Booking has closing date to add the closing date and time for this schedule. Click Save to save your schedule. You will see the schedules you have set below. To delete a schedule, click the delete icon next to the schedule you want to delete. See you in the next video.